Hi, my name is Jennifer Pernfuss, and I'm here to talk to you about a course that I'm going to be teaching at the University of Toronto in the spring session that delves deeply into the topic of workplace harassment and restoration. In your role as an HR practitioner, a leader, an investigator, or a coach, you're going to be learning how to effectively, and I want to underscore that, resolve workplace harassment complaints pre and post investigation. It's an invaluable skill, and it's a really complex and important topic, especially today. We're going to be looking at the shortcomings of a traditional approach to resolving these matters, typically an investigation. And if any of you have ever been involved in an investigation, you know that that process itself can be harmful to the individuals involved, as well as the working relationships. There's the events that lead up to a complaint that can be injurious. And then there's these processes we bring to bear to resolve them that can also be harmful. So we're going to explore all of that. I've been working in this space now for nearly 30 years. And out of my experience, I've developed an innovative approach to resolve these complaints that is really focused on protecting working relationships, workplace culture, and your talent. I'm happy to report that it is yielding incredible results. So in this course, I want to equip you with the knowledge, the skills, the tools, and the methodology so you'll know what to do post-investigation, and better still, before a complaint is filed, that repairs working relationships and supports reconciliation and resolution. Getting the employees and teams into what I call, back into right relationship. This is groundbreaking work, and I am very excited to be teaching it. I hope to see you in the spring session.